So I just wanted to share this experience with you that beyond medication, drug-free treatment, this holistic medicine works wonders on you, and my life has changed upside down.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Professor R.K. Tuli. As you all know, I am the pioneer of holistic medicine, having established the world's first ever department of holistic medicine at Delhi's prestigious state-of-the-art multi-specialty tertiary care Indraprastha Apollo hospitals way back in year 1995. And I am the founder of Society for Holistic Advancement of Medicine.
Dr. Saroj. Dr. R.K. Tuli is the person with holistic medicine. He looks after Soham Center of Holistic Medicine, and he is also a professor with Indira Gandhi University. He has created the holistic approach platform for the country.
आज हमारे साथ दिल्ली से डॉक्टर आर.के. तुली जुड़ने वाले हैं, जो फादर ऑफ होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन है। अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में उन्होंने होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन का डिपार्टमेंट शुरू किया था। 16 साल उसे रन किया।
In this series of wellness beyond the best practices of allopathic medicine, I bring to you this patient who suffered from polycystic ovarian disease leading to infertility with its side hazards of hirsutism, overweight, growth of facial hair, at the same time losing her head hair. Besides, this young lady also suffered from very severe migraines. She suffered from acid peptic disease and GERD, the gastroesophageal reflux disease. She also had a low thyroid, hypothyroidism, for which she had been on medication for a very, very long time, and spinal spondylosis of cervical and her lumbosacral region, making her life very miserable, and she had gained a lot of weight. She was about 30 to 40 kilos overweight. Now you will hear in her own words how this treatment has helped her to overcome her polycystic ovarian disease, and within that process of treatment, about 30 sessions or so, she conceived and had a very happy, pretty baby girl, as you will see in the attached photograph also. Now, please listen to Trisha Kapoor in her own words.
Hi, I'm Trisha, and I just want to share an experience and share my gratitude towards Dr. Tuli. And I came to Soham Clinic and visited Dr. Tuli about 5-6 years back. I remember in 2015, August 2015, and from then I can say my life has changed upside down. I want to share an experience what happened. Before that, I was suffering from hormonal problems. I was suffering from PCOD. I had intense migraine issues, irregular cycle, periodical cycle, and hair growth, and I had a tremendous hair loss. So that is when I decided that I came to know about Dr. Tuli in Soham Clinic and this beautiful way of curing. So I started my 1 month treatment with Dr. Tuli, and there was immense amount of changes. I first of all, I could feel that energy. I could feel that the blockages, the meridians were getting cleansed and opened up, and I used to feel a rush of energy in me. Earlier, I was feeling a lot of lethargic, tired. I used to get tired very easily. All this started changing during the course of the treatment only. My migraine issues also slowly, gradually were resolving, and so the so everything I was feeling, I was earlier I was very depressed, very worried, but with this positive thinking that I got in the treatment, during the course of treatment, the meditation I did, and the different tools I used, which were taught by Dr. Tuli. So I became drug free eventually, and this is such a this holistic medicine therapy. It's so natural. I got healed so naturally and without any drug free, that it was hard to. I mean, when I used to tell people it was absolutely drug free, and they were like, "Yeah, really?" So they could see on my face that what had changed. They could see my happiness from my face, that yes, it is beyond any medication or something. Medication can cure you, but what about your inside? What about your inner sense of happiness? So I think that got reinstilled in me. And that was the best part, that after within the treatment itself, during the last phase of my treatment, I actually got conceived. So I was conceived. So I mean, that was the intense joy I was feeling. That wow, I mean, so amazing it is. So I just wanted to share this experience with you, that beyond medication, drug-free treatment, this holistic medicine works wonders on you. And if you have a will to, if you have a will to get cured, then this will surely help you and work on you. So yeah, it was an amazing experience. Until date, it is close to my heart, the teachings I got from here. So thank you so much for this amazing experience, Dr. Tuli. Thank you.
It really gives me tremendous joy when you are able to restore health and happiness in a totally frustrated person who has sought the best that the world of allopathic medicine offers, and even tried the various so-called different alternate systems of medicine. It gives me pleasure because I've been able to help them to restore their total health without the use of any medications, and she has remained without the need for any medication and has maintained her wellness and happiness over the past 6 years. This shows that this holistic medicine therapy, which takes care of the human being as a whole and all the ailments of the individual at the same time, is highly predictable, is very easily reproducible, and is sustainable, as this girl Trisha Kapoor brings out to you. Now, these are the hallmarks of any scientific phenomenon. I don't think there is any drug or any medical intervention in the world which can promise you these three qualities of predictability, reproducibility, and sustainability without any harm. So, it's the need of the hour that let us make the prophecy of Dr. Pratap C. Reddy come true, that holistic medicine is the medicine of 21st century, by creating a awareness among all, and anyone you know of who's suffering from a who's in a mess because of several diseases concurrently can get relieved of them within a limited time without the use of any drugs, any medicines, any interventions. So, as a healthcare provider, it is my joy and great sense of duty to serve the people well and bring out the best in their health, to fulfill the Vedic prayer, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya. That is, may all beings be happy and may no one suffer from any sickness. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.